Hello my beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Reet. This is episode 4 of my beauty basics series and it's all about powder and contouring. To learn a perfectly flawless contouring, let's jump right into the video. Once I'm done with my foundation and concealer, I'm gonna set my makeup with setting powder. There are two different types of setting powders. First one is loose setting powder and second one is pressed compact powder. And they both come in 3 different forms. The first one is mineral powder, second one is translucent powder, and the third one is finishing powder. For setting up my makeup today, I'm gonna use Milk Makeup's Blur and Set Setting Powder. This is a medium translucent powder. Powders can be applied with 2 different methods. You can either use a brush or a beauty blender. For brush, you can take a big fluffy brush and put some powder on it, and then you can just brush it all over your face. And for beauty blender, you can use a damp beauty blender and put some powder on it. For baking under your eyes, you can just put the powder right under your eyes on your concealer. Let it set for a few seconds and then take a big fluffy brush and brush it off. Setting your makeup with powder helps in retaining your makeup throughout the day, and it also avoids any crease lines on your face. Contouring is done to create shadows on your face, so we're gonna contour our jawline, our cheek dips, our nose, and a little on our forehead. There are 2 different ways we can do contouring. The first one is using a cream-based contour and the second one is using a powder-based contour. Today I'm gonna use this grayish brown color from Anastasia's contour kit. And I'm gonna take a little of this color on my angular brush and I'm just gonna dab it so that excess powder comes out. So first I'm gonna create a rough line right on my cheek tip and I'm gonna hold my brush like this so that it's more thinner. So we're gonna create a line starting from our hairline to the mid of our cheek. So we're gonna align and stop the line with our eyeball. So we're gonna create the line until half of our cheek. And then we're gonna blend it upwards. So you can use a light hand to blend it. And now I'm gonna do the same thing on my jawline. So I'm gonna take the contour powder on my brush and I'm just gonna line it right under my jawline. And then I'm gonna blend it downwards into my neck. And now we're gonna do our nose. For nose, I'm gonna take a contour brush from e.l.f. This is a small round brush. And then I'm gonna take the same grayish brown color and I'm just gonna start from right underneath my eyebrow and I'm gonna make a straight line right on the corner of my nose. This is gonna give more of a thinner look to your nose. And then I'm gonna use angular brush and I'm gonna blend it all in. And then for my forehead, I'm gonna take the same powder on my brush and I'm just gonna go in circular motions into my hairline. Now as you can see, right side of my face looks more sculpted and more dimension, whereas left side looks more flat. So basic idea of contouring is that you're making an E on your face. So we start from here and then we go to our cheeks and then our jawline. Thank you so much guys for watching the whole video. I hope it was helpful for all of you. If you like the video, do not forget to hit like button and also share the video as much as you can. For more videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys until the next time. Love you guys.